The early morning sun cast its rays on the green meadow. The air was cool and fresh. It felt like a good start to our cycling adventure today. It's the second day of the Chinese New Year, and we're cycling from Yishun, starting from Yishun Dam to Punggol Waterway Park. Rowers Bay was serene and idyllic in the morning, and from here you could see the entire stretch of Yishun Dam. From Rowers Bay, we plan to cycle along the Seletar West Park connector. We stopped by to admire the huge, majestic heritage trees along the way. Hampstead Wetlands Park was indeed a pleasant surprise. Birds were skillfully walking on water across the lotus leaves, looking for their next meal. The lotus flowers of different colors and stages of blooming were beautiful. Next, we were headed towards Sengkang Riverside Park. I then cycled onto the Punggol Park connector. We ended the 16-kilometer journey at Waterway Point, feeling a little tired but satisfied.